Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. How's everyone doing? Happy weekend. Woo! I always say the same dumb stuff at the beginning. I love it. Okay, so this video, I was like, I want to get it out because I just want to get it out because the product's new and I don't really have time to like go in depth like doing a makeup look how I usually do. So I was like, can I really just go over the product like barefaced? And I think I'm going to. At least I'm going to start the video like that. So we'll see where this goes. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We are going to be talking about the Dagger Liner. I don't know if anyone else was excited for this, but I really was. I am really big. I actually haven't been using eyeliner lately and I don't know why, and I need to get back into it because you guys know how I am on precise and I want a precise line. And if I don't have time to sit there and get a precise line, then I don't even want it. That's how I am with anything in my life. If it's not going to be perfect, then I don't want it. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, I have to try it because I absolutely love the tattoo liner. So I'm somebody where like I really like the tattoo liner. Mine's actually like out, but I still have it. I use it. I like it. I like to be very precise. I usually put down tape when I'm doing it. I do though, however, like a gel liner because I like to apply my eyeliner with a brush. What have I been using lately? I need a brush that, same with my eyebrows. When I do my eyebrows, it has to be the most precise tip I can get. So I really like the 12 from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The 14 isn't bad, but the 12 is even more precise, or even the new Kat Von D brow brush I really like. These are the type of brushes that I like for my liner as well. So when I saw something coming out from Kat, so I already know that it's gonna be awesome and precise how I like, and it's in that shape of like a brush, I was like, oh, I gotta try it. So we have the Dagger Liner. So for the regular tattoo liner, it's $20. Kat Von D ink liner, $20. Lash liner, liquid inner, that's the new lash liner, it's $20. The Dagger liner is $20. So they're all $20, so that's not bad. If a product's gonna work, I don't mind paying it. And it's in Trooper Black is the color. The box is shaped like the one side is slanted like the Dagger. It has like a star that you can see, like if you turn it, it says Dagger Tattoo Liner, waterproof liquid eyeliner, Kat Von D, stars all over the box. It's vegan, 6-month shelf life. You can always look down here and there will be a little container and it has a number. It says like 6M, 12M. That's how many months you're able to keep the product and use it for. If you're clean. If you're dirty like me, you could keep it way longer. Okay, so I had to brush my hair. Look at how off my face coloring is. It's so embarrassing. So you open it and it also is shaped like the box. It's one of those like springy top lids kind of. Shaped like that. The daggers on it also says all the same stuff as the outside of the box. You pull the lid off. It's like a nice sturdy eyeliner. You know what I'm saying? And I actually really like, and I was so hoping for this with Kat Von D, and she totally delivered like she always does. I was worried, like sometimes you'll get a product and it's like, oh yeah, like it's in the shape or like an eyeliner and it's so big and bulky and I'm like, what am I supposed to do with that? And look at how darn precise and perfect this is. This is literally what I have been dying for in an eyeliner product like my entire life. So I'm so excited to try this. Why don't we try one side with tape? See, it's perfect I don't have makeup on because I really want to see how this performs like 2 different ways. So I'm gonna tape one side of my eye and use it, and we'll see how my wing turns out. And then I'll do the other side just freehand, and we'll see how that turns out. So I'm gonna do this side with the tape and the other side without. It's like a, oh, it's a brush tip, like the tattoo liner, so that's really cool. It's literally the same, it's just slanted. So let's see how this works out. I'm actually a little bit scared. I don't know why. Now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't look like it's gonna be sturdy enough. This is definitely a feel that you're gonna have to get used to, because you want it to be like on the one exact side while you're making this. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure how in love I am with this, to tell you the truth. To me, this is literally the same as Trooper, a little bit better. I would have really preferred for this to be like a felt tip with this shape, so it's more sturdy, because the shape honestly is pointless with it being the brush, like a flimsy brush. It's too flimsy for it to matter. Like, I'm not understanding the point of this at all. And I hate to say that because I like Kat's products, but like, look at my wings. That's so embarrassing. This one was so much better free-handed. Nat girl, where? Yo. I've been playing. I gotta start doing this freehand. Wow, I messed those up. But like, I'm just not, like, look. Do you see what I mean about how flimsy it is? Like, it's not gonna stay upright. Like, if I'm using this, like, this would stay, like, I dip it in the product, I go along, and it holds its shape. Like, this is not holding its shape, so what is the point of this brush tip? Like, the regular tattoo liner, like, honestly, I could just use that. This is irrelevant. Like this is irrelevant, honestly, at this point. I'm not a fan, and I'm really sad because I was so excited for this. Man, I don't know. I just don't know why they didn't make the brush more sturdy. I'm just not a huge fan. This is so disappointing because I was so excited. Look at my eyes. That's so embarrassing. Oh my gosh. Look, I can't believe how good I'm getting at freehanding a wing. Like, imagine if I, like, that a little more and then concealed underneath. That would be one badass wing. Guys, I'm not even gonna do my makeup. This is the first time I'm literally just like, meh, whatever, I'm not gonna do it. I don't have time. Because I think I'm doing wedding makeup in the morning, and I'm going to Kennywood again tomorrow because we got tickets because it rained. So I'm probably just going to put this up like this, looking a mess. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of it, or if you planned on trying it, if you did try it, what your thoughts and opinions are on the product. I would love to know. I'm not saying it's a flop. Like, what I'm saying, like, that to me, I would prefer to use over a lot of other eyeliners. But do I think it's an upgrade? Like, for me personally, that is my favorite shape for an eyeliner. And with that being said, it's not something I would, like, gravitate towards. I would pick it up and use it interchangeably when I'm using, like, my tattoo liner. but I don't think it's anything special or extra, or I don't think the shape is really benefiting it. I almost feel like it was just for another product to come out, you know, like it's like we need to release something, let's release this. Like I hate to say that, but that's honestly how I feel about that. Oh yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to head over to the Instagram and check out my giveaway, the Jaclyn Hill palette. That will still be up until the 5th, I believe. So yeah, go check that out. You know, I'm always posting my makeup pictures on there too. So yeah, check those out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'm gonna get a chitty chat video out this weekend. I promise. I know I've been saying it, but I do. I swear on my life, I'm gonna do it. And yeah, that's really it. So I love you guys. Bye.